Left-leaning politicians demand that we follow the science, follow the data, and most important, follow Dr. Fauci when coming up with COVID policies and procedures for taxpayers. Now, Dr. Fauci just said that flooding American homes with COVID home test kits would stop the spread of the disease. This will keep people home and isolated if they test positive, and Dr. Fauci said it will alleviate overcrowding at hospitals. Republicans in the Erie County legislature just floated a proposal to use taxpayer dollars so that you can get a home COVID test kit before the holiday rush. Their public policy follows a recommendation straight from Dr. Fauci, but Democrats in the legislature killed this proposal, punted the bill to committee, and that meeting happens to be January 13th. So families are basically screwed. They're not going to get these home test kits for COVID before the holiday season. Publicly, Democrats are claiming that it could cost too much and they don't want to pass it right now. That makes zero sense. So they don't want to use taxpayer dollars for COVID home test kits to protect you and your family, but they have no problem with spending hundreds of thousands of dollars for pizza and wings for employees to have pizza parties, and certainly hundreds of thousands of dollars so that Dr. Gale Burstein can pad her pension and her salary with COVID overtime. But because Republicans proposed a potentially life-saving policy recommended by Dr. Fauci, Democratic legislators killed it, and they won't let it see the light of day. This proves to Erie County and the country that politicians don't give a damn about your health. They don't care about your safety, and they certainly won't even listen to Dr. Fauci if it doesn't suit their political needs. They don't want the pandemic to end. Trust me, they would rather spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on pizza parties for employees, padding their pensions and their paychecks with COVID overtime, rather than let you and your family have a COVID home test kit.